खूप भूक लागली. Where is my bombil fry? A Maharashtrian and bombil is a different relationship. This is the mutton and this is the vade. It's like a puri made of different dals. That with that rasse wala mutton is just amazing. This little chutney of bombil, no?
With the prawn biryani. मैडम के लिए ये चटनी जरा पार्सल कर देना.
अरे मैं लेके भी जाती हूँ. अच्छा सुनो, ऐसा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा मुंह हो जाएगा तो आप थोड़ा काट देना. राजमा चावल के साथ कई बार हमारे यहाँ पे भिंडी का रायता बनता है, बैंगन का रायता बनाते हैं.
What is this fancy बैंगन का रायता, भिंडी का रायता?
You didn't have the घावना? This is the Maharashtrian
Neer dosa.
Yeah.
What a combo.
Did you try the paplet koshambir?
It's kothmeer, right?
No, that's kothambir. It's more like a salady sort of a thing. My nails are gone. I think lipstick is also gone.
Signs of a good Sunday brunch. When your nail paint has changed, when your lipstick is gone, मतलब आज आपने अच्छे से खाना खाया है. Never have I ever stalked my son's social media profile.
It blocked me out here.
Everybody around the world follows you, but you've been blocked by your own son on social media.
इसके घर का खाना सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा.
Sunita Ahuja's house, Nitin Gadkari, Raj Thakre.
होश वालों को
जब सतोष के 25 साल का सेलिब्रेशन था, I saw it then.
आप अपनी मूवीज ही नहीं देखते?
I haven't seen all that.
सोनाली, आप मुझे एक बाइट दोगे कैरमल का?
है ना, ये है ना.
अरे बिल्कुल नहीं शेयर कर रहे, आप एक और दे दो मुझे.
Full of nostalgia.
Full of sugar.
I would rather think of nostalgia.
मुंबई में अगर आपको बेस्ट सी फूड खाना है तो गजाली जरूर आना. आज जब मुझे सोनाली ने कहा that she wants to eat food at गजाली, मैं यहाँ आ गई बड़ी खुशी से. But she's gonna be 1 hour late. और यहाँ खाने की खुशबू इतनी अच्छी है that I can't resist. I've got some तंदूरी prawns, I've got bombil fry और pomfret fry. तो उनके आने से पहले थोड़ा बहुत खा रही हूँ. मैं और मेरी टीम हम सब शेयर कर रहे हैं. उनके आने के बाद फिर खाऊं. ये bombil fry is very hard to resist.
मला सोलकढी नको, मला फक्त पाणी. हो हो प्लीज, खूप भूक लागली. Even if you are ready or not, we are ready for
I
food.
know.
कशी आहात तुम्ही?
A very warm welcome to Sunday brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. आज आपने लंच खाया है?
No,
नहीं?
बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं वेट कर रही थी क्योंकि जैसे ही आपने कहा महाराष्ट्रियन फूड,
हाँ.
दिस इज माय फेवरेट प्लेस गजाली. और ये विलेपाले ईस्ट हनुमान रोड पे उन्होंने अलग अलग ब्रांचेस खोले थे, लेकिन इस जैसा ये जो जगह है, इसके जैसा दूसरा नहीं. सालों से नहीं आई बिकॉज उन्होंने घर के पास एक ब्रांच खोली थी जो अब बंद कर दी है. लेकिन यहाँ का जो टेस्ट है ना,
हाँ.
वो कहीं और नहीं. गजाली जो ओरिजिनल.
आज तो मैं ये जानने आई हूँ कि आप क्या खाते हो या क्या खाना पड़ेगा टू लुक लाइक यू.
See, I'm not a foodie, लेकिन कुछ चीजें जो अच्छी लगती है फिर I eat that. Maybe fasting is good.
Is it?
Yeah.
अच्छा. How often do you fast?
Every day. इसीलिए मैं फास्ट तोड़ने के लिए वेट कर रही हूँ. This is going to be my first meal of the day.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So we can't wait to see you dig in. सबसे
Yes.
पहले मंगा लेते हैं खाना.
जी.
वैसे मैं यहाँ पे आके वेट कर रही थी और आपको और 1 घंटा लगने वाला था.
So you've eaten?
A little bit, yes. I couldn't wait. The
What
bombil
did you
fry. The bombil fry was inviting me.
Where is my bombil fry? आपने वो bombil fry उस चटनी के साथ खाया?
Oh my god, yes. That's the only thing that I had. Rest I'm going to eat with you.
So what I like यहाँ पे what they
हाँ.
call is the mutton vade.
Okay.
Vade is actually it's like a puri made of different dals. I don't know why in Maharashtra we call it vade. But that with that rasse wala mutton is just amazing. So I know Ghazali is known for its fish, and also there's one more thing that you know the prawn biryani here is my
Okay.
son's favorite. And what I really like, my husband is a vegetarian. The palak khichdi is what he really. So Ghazali is like for everybody.
So your husband's a vegetarian
Yeah.
and Punjabi.
Yeah, since
So-
a few, I don't know why he was like, I'm done with non-veg, and it started with a few days, and then he just turned vegetarian.
Yeah, same for my husband, Punjabi and a
Yeah.
vegetarian.
But you know what? Actually, Punjabis are vegetarian. You go to Amritsar, is the best vegetarian
Yes.
food.
तो घर पर अभी ज्यादा महाराष्ट्रन बनता है या पंजाबी?
Punjabi,
फुल पंजाबी खाना.
full Punjabi household because my mother-in-law lives with me.
ओके
So even my sisters-in-law used to be with me. जब शादी हुई
हाँ
तो I just followed what was happening in the house. तो जैसे घर चल रहा था मुझे घर चलाना तो आता नहीं था, तो मैंने जो कुछ सीखा है my mother-in-law has taught. पंजाबी कढ़ी और बैंगन की कचरी, आलू की सब्जी, कोई भी मतलब पापड़ होंगे, अचार होंगे, रायता, या तो फिर राजमा चावल, भिंडी आलू, बूंदी का रायता, या फिर राजमा चावल के साथ कई बार हमारे यहाँ पे भिंडी का रायता बनता है.
भिंडी का रायता
Yeah.
और फ्राइड भिंडी इन दही
I don't know.
यू डोंट नो
I
इट इज
taste very good. Tastes very good. या तो फिर छोले,
हाँ
छोले पूरी, जो
Nice.
पूरी नहीं खाती हूँ मैं, फिर भी छोले को ब्राउन चावल के साथ खा लेती हूँ, लेकिन उसके साथ हम लोग बैंगन का रायता बनाते हैं, which is very
व्हाट
nice.
इज दिस फैंसी बैंगन का रायता भिंडी का
That's the
रायता?
only way I can get my son and my husband to eat vegetables.
Okay. I have been a fan of all your 90s movies and मैंने कुछ iconic posters लिए हैं. Using photo assist on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, I have made minor tweaks to photos. आपको मुझे बताना है मैंने क्या change किया.
Okay.
Okay, this is the first one. What is it that I have changed?
You have changed my dressing. This is not the outfit I was wearing in. The jewelry is also different. Was I wearing a purple bluish sari?
No,
I was not there in this picture.
you're there in this picture. I've literally swapped it with Karishma.
Oh. This is हम साथ साथ हैं.
What an iconic film this was. Okay, what's missing here?
Bindi. No?
A little more than Bindi.
My nose ring is there.
I can't believe it. Full actor is missing here. Salman Khan is missing from this picture. You are looking at your bindi and your
I'm
nose.
an actor. I'm looking at myself. Oh, yes.
Okay, what's changed in this one?
Oh, the door. From the Bakri, it's become a puppy.
Yeah.
Oh, what a cute puppy. Oh my god.
You're really fond of dogs.
Puppy. So cute. Yeah, this is just देश में गंदा रहता है.
Where was this shot?
This was in wine.
Okay, what's changed here?
The food. यार ये bread तो नहीं था. कुछ भी नहीं था खाना यहाँ पे. सिर्फ किताब थी.
Correct. ये है
Oh,
original
just
picture.
look at that. This is so much better.
Please tell me what is
Just my
changed.
little eyes. Oh my god, you've taken away the modak.
Correct. And replaced it with motichur laddu.
No, not allowed even in a picture. It has to be modak. I love the ukdi che modak.
modak. Oh
I
my
love
God.
it. Especially what my mother used to make. I still love it. The change. It was a pink top.
Not bad.
Not
You
bad.
got almost everything right.
Yeah.
Except-
I mean, except for Salman. I can't believe I did this. It just goes to show that I've got all my clothes and everything
I
right.
swear.
I've forgotten a colleague. Shall we go for it?
Yes.
Then-
Is one dish that's so hard to resist.
Yeah, I'm going for it.
Yes. ये चटनी बहुत खास है यार.
It's fab. Oh, you have had it already, so I'm not waiting for
Don't wait for me. This is my round 2, guys.
you. Heaven.
First meal breaking fast with this. तो आपकी कितनी देर की रहती है intermittent fasting? Like for how long do you
I do
go?
18 to 20 hours.
Every day?
Yeah.
But is it really good इतनी देर तक फास्ट करना? आपको डॉक्टर्स ने बोला
I
है
don't
या
know.
खुद करते
Good
हो
है
आप
या
फिर?
नहीं, but I feel good. I eat everything. I try to avoid white sugar. I'll try and do natural sugar, but I eat everything.
I'm going to give you some food choices. You got to pick one, okay?
Okay.
So tell me, what do you like more? Varan bhat or rajma chawal?
Not fair.
But you have to answer. Your mum is watching and your mother-in-law is also watching this.
Chole. Kadi chawal. No, I like both. Okay, yeah, fine. Rajma chawal.
Okay, so now मतलब अभी आप काफी पंजाबी हो गए.
जी.
बटर पाव भाजी या बटर चिकन?
Again, these are very difficult choices. Why can't I have both?
You have only 4-hour window and you can't possibly have butter chicken also and pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji.
पूरन पोली और छोले भटूरे.
Puran puri,
सोल कड़ी और लस्सी.
lassi,
मिसळ पाव और छोले कुलचे.
misal pav.
I love misal pav, yeah.
Love
Do you
it.
have like any favorite places in Mumbai where you like misal pav from?
Yeah, at my farm.
Where's your farm? You don't
But-
want to tell. ठीक है, हम
Yeah,
पहुंच
so-
जाएंगे ना वहाँ पर.
But वहाँ पे वो You know, गांव से वो लोग बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं यार, मिसल पाव और वड़ा पाव.
मैं अभी पालगढ़ गई थी एंड दे मेड दिस अमेजिंग मिसल पाव एंड आई कैन टेल मतलब वहाँ गांव का जो होता है ना सम टेस्ट.
ये मटन है ना? आणि हे सुखा प्रॉन. ओके. हे हाँ आणि हे अच्छा ह्या साइड.
Is this mutton curry? No, right?
This is the mutton and this is the vade.
Oh, पोहा या उपमा?
पोहा.
कोई एक डिश तो होगी जो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आती होगी बनाने.
Scrambled egg.
Is there any dish that Ranveer और Goldie insist कि आज सोनाली के हाथ का बना कुछ खाना है?
Never.
Never.
गोल्डी तो कभी नहीं. In fact, let me tell you that when I got married, my mother-in-law said that बेटा, you know, इतना सब कुछ आपने किया है, माँ बाप ने पढ़ाया, वो किचन में जाने के लिए किचन सिर्फ मैनेज हो जाता है. She doesn't expect me to be in there. I won't have place for the things that I want to eat.
Which is prawns
Which is,
biryani
yeah.
and this. Okay.
My son cooks well, so it was very clear that when you're in uni and when Mama comes visiting, you're going to cook for Mama. Mama will help you, but I stand there and I help him and hand things and chat with him.
That's a lot of help for
Yeah.
sure. थाली पीठ और मक्के दी रोटी.
मक्के की रोटी.
उकड़ी से मोदक या गाजर का हलवा.
And oh no!
Are these both your favorite?
I cannot choose. I cannot choose both. Sorry. This I don't like this format.
लावड़ी और भांगड़ा.
Bhangra. I mean, if I have to say, ideally, I would say neither Lavani nor Bhangra.
There's
It's Bollywood.
Bollywood, of course. We've always seen you, आप हमेशा से इतना fit रहते आए हो, तो
No, but I want to correct you. I'm not fit. I'm thin, not fit. Very big difference between them. So it's genetics that I'm thin, not so much any longer than what it used to be. But it's not because I work out or any of that. You can see that now in all the various curves that have come on. But I would love to be fitter because as I grow older, I realize the value of being fit. So in trying to be thin, a lot of times you are missing out on the fitness. I just want to put it out there that
but now are you? Do you now work out?
I'm much better
consciously?
than what I used to be, but I'm in work in progress because I love this chutney.
Yeah. We'll take 10 minutes just to eat.
Sorry.
Sorry.
See, I can't help it.
Yeah.
You put this food in front of me and then you want to talk.
No, you don't have to.
We should swap. I'll ask the questions and let her answer. So
Good
when
too.
did you start this?
It's been about 8 to 9 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's been that long.
Okay, don't take the name.
Okay.
I'm sweet like that. But which house did you like the most?
Oh, house.
किसके घर का खाना सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा?
This
ऐसे
is-
कुछ ये जरूरी नहीं कि नए सेलिब्रिटी हो, पुराने का भी आप बता सकते हो.
So I really enjoyed food at Sunita Ahuja's house. She
Ah.
made like really good Punjabi feast. She had sarson ka saag, she had rajma chawal. Politicians के घर पर भी Nitin Gadkari, Raj
The food.
Thakre, amazing, really good food. Murli, recently I went to his
Yeah.
house also. This is your trick ना? कि आप मेरे से बात करते रहो और आप
और मैं सब
मटन और
खाना खा लूं. I've had paplet fry also, no?
You want? Bolu
No.
papad fry.
I'm not able to eat so much. Then tell me, what made you start this?
It was actually my own love for travel more than food, to be
Okay.
honest. And I would love exploring new places. That's when I started Curly Tales. And मैं हर बार new restaurant में जाके I would do a review, I would create a video. Then I started traveling, and then I thought it will be good to share a meal with somebody and talk to them about food. And my first guest was Aftab Shivdasani, and the second guest was Virat Kohli.
What is Virat's favorite food?
So I visited his restaurant at
Okay.
1-8 Commune. So then we ate a lot of the dim sims and the salads that he likes. But otherwise, he's a big chole bhature fan.
He doesn't look like
Yeah,
Gabe.
yeah.
He's so fit.
But that's what he said कि मैं और अनुष्का जब हमें बहुत मन करता है छोले भटूरे खाने का हम खाते हैं फिर जिम में जाके 3-4 घंटे जाके वर्कआउट करते हैं बट दे ईट व्हाट इज दैट वन डिश जिसके लिए आप अपना फास्ट इंस्टेंटली तोड़ सकते हो
Bombil.
ओके
See, Maharashtrian and Bombil is a different relationship.
Yo.
Not everybody likes Bombil.
In fact, outside of Maharashtra, people don't even know of Bombay. So you don't have to share with them. By the way, आपकी सीरीज राख It's been amazing.
The beauty of Rakh was that literally I would say it was end of the age of innocence. What I remember is that even as a child, this story from which this Rakh is inspired was something that kind of stayed with us for a really long time, because parents would say, you know, don't step out, strangers. So basically before this, you know, children were stepping out, they were going to gardens, they were asking lift, and you know, people
Yeah.
were dropping them. It was easy. But after this, you actually taught your children that you should not trust human beings.
Yeah.
You should be scared. Anything out of the house is scary. I mean, all negative things, but
Yeah.
this is what you had to teach children. So I think it was, I feel like that incident was like an end to an age of innocence. But I was so like, I don't want this anywhere near my life. Have you had this prawns?
This sukka prawn. Oh, thank you.
You haven't eaten. Did you not like it?
No, I love it. Like I told you, round 1 is done. This is
Only
round
your
2.
Bombay.
आप ले लो. Help yourself.
So how many in a week?
So Sunday Brunch is just one show. Then we have few other shows as well, where I'm shooting with entrepreneurs. It's called Stories from Bharat. Yeah, where we talk about their journey.
It will be interesting to see how they live and all
Yeah.
also. No? What did you think of this?
The biryani I've not eaten. I'm going to eat now.
Can I tell you a secret hack, that this little chutney of Bombil, no?
Will the prawn biryani?
अच्छा सुनो, ऐसा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा मुंह हो जाएगा तो आप थोड़ा काट देना.
We all know how pretty you are. No matter, even if you do your more teda meda, you still look pretty. आपकी सबसे favorite movie कौन सी है आपकी अपनी? And how many have you done?
I don't know. I haven't seen all
कभी
that.
तो आप
I mean, I saw
seen.
सरफरोश, जब सरफरोश के 25 साल का celebration था, ऐसा.
No,
If I
you're
don't
kidding
see
me.
it, I saw it then.
No, you're kidding.
I swear.
But you don't watch because you don't like seeing yourself on screen.
I keep going on about, I wish I'd done this. Why did I not do that?
आपको हमेशा से ही एक्टर बनना था?
I never even thought that this was a profession. Just kept getting offers, so I did it. I was like, this is for a day's work. It was literally half of my father's monthly income. And I was like, dude, I need to do this and sort my life out. Did you try the paplet koshambir?
It's kothmeer, right?
No, that's kothambir.
So what is
Koshambir is more
koshambir?
like a salady sort of a thing.
आप कितना often अपने मॉम के घर जाते हो?
Every day,
Does she live close by?
below me.
Really?
Parents are becoming really old now. So it's better to have them closer. But when you're not well, no, you always miss your mother. Moong dal khichdi with the ghee in it. And you know, my Aji used to make this achar, which you keep for years and it turns jet black, the nimbu ka achar. And it's like a little khatta meetha. That achar with that moong dal khichdi.
काफी साल हो गए होंगे ना?
Close to completing 24 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Touch
Touch
wood.
wood. The food? You know, in a Punjabi household, you wake up talking about food, then you're finishing a meal and you're discussing the next meal.
The prawn biryani is really good.
You know?
Especially with this prawn sukka. Do you realize how your
Chutney.
nail polish has changed? The color. This shows you're
I
truly
don't think I
enjoying
should
your
have
meal.
done this at Ghazali.
It's a perfect place. I'm loving it. To watch you eat and really relish your food.
So yum.
This is so good. Since you're a mom, I want to know, what kind of a mom are you? Are you very strict?
Actually, I would love to know what my son thinks. I'm not very lenient. I'm accommodating. But what is wrong is wrong.
So tell me, never have I ever stalked my son's social media profile.
You blocked me out here. Because he's got some new handle on which we are not welcome. Rubbish it is, yeah. No, it's not like I can stalk him on. He knows more about tech than I do.
Everybody around the world follows you, but you've been blocked by your own son on social media.
He's like, please, yeah, mama, you can't, I can't be like, you know.
So do you have like a fake account?
I don't.
Never have I ever embarrassed my son in front of his friends.
Of course I have. I live for that.
Just to be close to their friends is a way to be close to your kids as well, right? Is
Yeah,
that
but
your
it's so
trick?
lovely to know whom they're hanging with. You know, you learn so much from that.
Yeah.
No, as you can see, this chutney is going on
In everything, in everything. In
Yeah.
मैडम के लिए ये चटनी जरा पार्सल कर देना.
अरे मैं
हाँ,
लेके
बहुत
नहीं जाती हूँ.
सारी.
को आदत है करनी.
अभी राजमा चावल के साथ भी यही चटनी खाएंगे.
नहीं. That will kill the chutney.
But you know it's interesting कि आजकल सबसे बड़ा concern यही है that how do you get your kids to share what they are feeling with you. बहुत से पहले बच्चे शेयर ही नहीं कर रहे, तो कोई आपने कोई ऐसी ट्रिक सोची how kids just become more open to sharing instead of hiding, be it their feelings or whatever's going on in their life.
So the first thing for that is there's so many times when my child has done something which I'm like, how could you do it and all of that, and then I tell myself, if I'm going to go like this,
Next time वो नहीं बताएगा.
next time this happens, he's not going to share it. So then I'm like, calm down and let him feel like it's okay. And I've also told him that both me and Goldie have told that, nobody is more invested in you than we are. In seeing that, getting you out of trouble. See, normally what happens is that when you're trying to, something small goes wrong and then you're trying to hide that, and that's when you get into bigger and bigger trouble. So I said, and then we will deal with it as a family, whatever has to be done. Whenever anything, because that is his age, whenever he's gotten into trouble, I said, I would rather that you come home. If you have 5 people, I'll handle all of them. But you come home. It's not like he doesn't get into trouble with us afterwards. We do. And of course, the next time he wants to do it, we are like, and he's like, I have learned my lesson. We don't know that. So that, of course, we are not going to let that go. I turn into a full mother at that point of time. But the first time, when that thing has happened, I try to sort it out and look at it more like, let's not blame. Deal with this in as gentle a way as possible for now. And there will be time when I can be harsher.
Yeah.
And that happens. हमें जो problems थे ना, वो उनकी दुनिया में है ही नहीं, उनकी दुनिया में कुछ अलग ही problems हैं.
Do you ever peep into his phone? आपके बाजू में बैठा हो, किसी को मैसेज भेज रहा होता.
And it's so tiny, I can't read it. My son is always peeping into it. But why, Mama? I said, you let me peep into your phone. And he laughs. But yeah, he's always peeping into my phone.
Then you must get Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra और उसमें आप यूज करो एक privacy display. जैसे ही आप वो ऑन करोगे, there's no way anybody around who even peeps into your phone can read anything. Never have I ever stolen something from a film set as a souvenir.
No, I've broken things, but not stolen. I've broken things out of sheer frustration of being sitting there.
Really? क्या तोड़ा?
Yeah, actually, I didn't even realize it. Twinkle pointed it out to me, and she caught me at it. Actually, she's too smart, and it was like getting frustrated, and you move. Oh shit! It fell, it broke, and all of that.
That's your way of venting out
Yeah,
frustration.
gently.
Never have I ever regretted rejecting a film.
I wouldn't say rejecting, but I have regrets about because I was not smart enough to understand that you don't have to take on everything and not have the gaps. So I've missed out just because I didn't have the dates or the time to take it on. So that regret is there.
तो पहले आप कैसे करते थे? मतलब
It
जो
was-
ऑफर आया आप हाँ बोल देते
हाँ
थे?
मतलब paycheck has to be.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So you prioritized money at that point.
Yes.
Never have I ever won an argument by simply staying silent.
Oh my God, that's the best way to win an argument.
Next क्या मंगाना है अभी बताओ?
I'm done.
Short, dessert,
What's the dessert?
caramel custard.
Correct? It reminds me of my mother's custard. I want to go and sleep now. So much I have eaten. All you will see in this camera is me going, shit, you recorded this also. Cut it
Everything
out,
is
okay?
being recorded.
My nails are gone. I think
मैंने तो
lipstick
लगाया
is
ही
also
नहीं.
gone.
Lipstick is also gone. Signs of a good Sunday brunch. When your nail paint has changed, when your lipstick is gone, मतलब आज आपने अच्छे से खाना खाया है.
I can't show my nails. Sorry.
We'll catch it, don't worry. हमारे
Bad
cameras
news.
हर जगह है.
Hey, we didn't have the ghavna. This is the Maharashtrian
Neer
sort of
dosa.
like, yeah, it's called ghavna.
One bite I'll have. What a combo.
Yeah, it is.
This is so good.
My son's favorite is the ghavna with the anda bhurji. Weird combination, but
Yeah.
he loves it.
आपने खाया है? Weird combination.
Dosa and bhurji,
Really?
favorite combination. It's
Correct.
protein and gluten free.
And it tastes good?
It's yum.
I am definitely trying this. Dosa
Yeah.
with bhurji.
Somebody who produces this Khatro Ke Khiladi.
Yeah.
I said, dude, I said I would never. I don't
No
even
amount
want to
of
be close.
paycheck.
No, can't
no,
do,
no.
can't do it, can't do it.
I'm very scared of insects and creepy crawlies.
Just look at that. You have not seen the Ghazali display?
No.
ये तो दिखाना पड़ेगा. I'm starting to plate things and arrange the table.
I love the involvement. Is there more for display?
The display will come. There, the display.
Oh, this is the display. अच्छा. क्या क्या है यहाँ पर? ये
फ्रूट कस्टर्ड है, ब्लूबेरी है, ये फलूदा है,
हाँ.
ये गुलाब जामुन पेस्ट्री है, प्रिंसेस केक है और ये नया अपने रेकॉर्ड एक्सेस है।
सोनाली आप मुझे एक बाइट दोगे कैरेमल का?
हम ना ये है ना,
अरे बिल्कुल नहीं शेयर कर रहे, आप एक और दे दो मुझे।
I want caramel custard will not be shared. I'll wait for you. I'm going for it.
Yes, go for it. I made you wait for too long. How's it?
Full of nostalgia.
Full of sugar.
I would rather think of nostalgia. I'm not shooting, so I don't have to worry about sugar. I'm done. Raak has released. Promotions will be done. I will go on a holiday. I will think about getting my jawline back after
the
2 months.
holiday.
Yeah.
आप हमेशा से ही फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट भी रहे हो,
जी।
तो अभी भी आप अपने फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस खुद लेते हो
जी।
और एंड यू फिगर आउट वेयर यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी,
Yeah.
हाउ यू वांट टू स्पेंड एवरीथिंग.
Yeah, we can have a discussion about it in the sense of sometimes I'll say that, I'm thinking of this, what do you think? But it's very clearly my decision.
With your money.
Yeah.
And if it is his money, then who decides?
Me.
How fair is that?
No, that's not true. He does.
Yeah.
It's his call then. Yeah.
And you don't interfere.
No. Again, it's like your partners, you discuss a few things, but I don't interfere in what goes on, what he wants to do and how he wants to do it.
Yeah. सबसे favorite जगह कौन सी है आपकी?
I like the mountains, but I like getting away to New York. I like the city.
That's also the place where you went for your
Yeah,
treatment and everything,
yes. So,
right?
yeah, literally I got my second life there.
So does
Yeah.
that place hold a very special place in your
It,
heart?
it does because it reminds me very much of Mumbai. And yet there are shows, there are restaurants, meeting, the energy is good, you get the park. So I like that.
How much has your perspective towards life changed?
I can tell you what I feel has changed. I have calmed down. I appreciate life a lot more. I live more in the present now than I ever used. Either living in regret or thinking of future and not at all enjoying what was happening at that time. And I think I've missed out so much in life because of that. So this time round on the second chance, I'm enjoying the moment. I'm enjoying the custard right now.
Yes. But even through your very successful professional career, आपको तभी भी ऐसे moments of regrets होते थे या worry करते थे आप
of
future के
course.
लिए? इतना काम मिलने के बाद भी?
But उस टाइम पे वो नहीं लगता था कि इतना काम है ना. So also human nature is that. आपको जो भी मिले कहीं पे कुछ और होता ही है.
Comparisons करते थे आप मन ही मन में?
Sort of. I was still much more of a content person than other people. But होता तो था. It's human nature.
Yeah,
You are
I-
not eating it.
Sonali, I'm really dull.
I'm feeling like a hog. Look at this. Clean plate.
Very good. मैं खाऊंगी ये गुलाब
You're
जामुन.
laughing at me behind the camera.
Why you
Not
all laughing?
fair.
You all don't eat. What
Something.
about display?
Display is for display. They know what I like and I finished it.
Yes. सोनाली मजा आया आज आपके साथ खाना खा के.
आपने तो खाया ही
कैरेमल
नहीं.
कस्टर्ड मैंने खाया. मेरा ये राउंड 2 था गाइस. मुझे पता है मैंने ये कैसे खाया है आज. But this was so much fun. Thank you.
I enjoyed it too. Thank
Yes.
you.
Yeah. You seem to have a really good choice of restaurants that you go
think?
to. Yeah. Like this is an amazing pick. Like
Really?
Chinese food or no?
No, no.
No. More desi.
Yeah, they see. I don't mind.
Maharashtra.
I'm not very like unless it's how do I say it now? Unless it's Hakkasan, I'm not able to check.
Okay.